Welcome to Icefire channel. Join us to find out what do you need to know when self-studying and doing marketing. When self-studying and engaging in marketing, there are several key areas and concepts you should focus on to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the field. Marketing is a dynamic and multifaceted discipline that requires a blend of creativity, analytical skills, and strategic thinking. Here are the essential aspects you should know and consider when self-studying marketing. Understanding the core principles of marketing, including the marketing mix: product, price, place, promotion, target market identification, and consumer behavior. Learning how to develop effective marketing strategies that align with business goals and objectives. Conducting market research and competitive analysis to identify opportunities and challenges. Creating a marketing plan with actionable steps and timelines. Exploring the various channels and tactics used in digital marketing, such as search engine optimization (SEO), pay-per-click PPC advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Understanding the importance of online presence and how to leverage digital platforms for brand visibility and lead generation. Understanding the role of content marketing in attracting and engaging the target audience. Learning how to create valuable, relevant, and consistent content across different channels. Exploring content distribution and promotion strategies. Understanding the importance of branding and how to build a strong brand identity. Learning about brand positioning, messaging, and brand management techniques. Exploring ways to create brand loyalty and trust among customers. Learning how to conduct market research to gather data and insights about the target audience and industry trends. Understanding key marketing metrics and how to analyze data to make data-driven decisions. Utilizing marketing analytics tools to measure the effectiveness of campaigns and strategies. Understanding the major social media platforms and their role in marketing. Learning how to create engaging content for social media and build a strong social media presence. Exploring social media advertising and influencer marketing strategies. Understanding how search engines work and the principles of SEO. Learning on-page and off-page SEO techniques to improve website visibility and rankings. Exploring local SEO and voice search optimization. Understanding the fundamentals of email marketing and how to build and grow an email list. Learning how to create effective email campaigns and use automation for personalized messaging. Exploring email deliverability and measuring email marketing success. Understanding the role of PR in marketing and reputation management. Learning how to create and manage PR campaigns for brand promotion and crisis communication. Understanding the importance of ethical marketing practices and social responsibility. Learning about the potential ethical challenges in advertising and data usage. Recognizing that marketing is a constantly evolving field. And staying updated on industry trends, consumer behavior, and new marketing strategies is essential for success. Engaging in continuous learning through books, online courses, webinars, and industry conferences. Applying theoretical knowledge through practical projects and real-world scenarios. Engaging in hands-on marketing activities to gain practical skills and experience. Developing both analytical and creative thinking skills to solve marketing challenges and come up with innovative solutions. Building a network of marketing professionals to exchange ideas, gain insights, and collaborate on projects. Familiarizing yourself with marketing tools and technologies that can streamline processes and enhance marketing efforts, such as marketing automation platforms and data analytics tools. Remember, self-studying marketing requires dedication, curiosity, and a willingness to experiment and learn from both successes and failures. As you delve into each area mentioned above, practice applying the concepts in real-world scenarios to gain practical experience and sharpen your marketing skills further. Marketing is a versatile and exciting field, and continuous learning will keep you at the forefront of new trends and developments. Thank you for watching the Icefire channel. I wish you a good day.